Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate Matterhorn report, which is a class-wise report and supports only one exam type. So we need one exam like this. I have these four exams of multiple subjects. So follow me. I'll show you how to create this report. So here are three variants, and I'm going to generate variant one right now. So to see an example of this report, you can click on live preview, and there is a beautiful report including graph and a digital signature. You will see. Now let's see how to generate it. So go to the report studio, and now click on the variant one. Now click on generate report. Here you need to create a new report, so click on create new report and select your class. Now again click on create report. So in this configuration, enter the report reference name. This reference name is only for your reference and not going to print on the report. So here enter the reference name. Select term 1 or term 2. Enter the report name which is going to be printed on the report. Now enter the report date if required. This report is totally dynamic, means if we add something mean then only it will be printed. 20. Now select exams. Here you can select exams by using subject filter, owner, exam type or date. So here select the subject and select the required exam. Like this, select all the subject and their exams. Now here can you see, you can see this total marks is 40 and in bracket there is 100. So if my exam is of 40 marks and I need to convert it to 100 marks, so what I'll do, I'll go to the do you want to print marks conversion to 100 and check this checkbox. Otherwise, if you need to show your marks in report out of 40 only, then do not need to check this checkbox. Now here select the attendance dates. For that you need to select the term and you can enter this date range by clicking here or by clicking want to edit date ranges. Now select the signature config, means you can add digital signature in this report card. So click on add digital signature, add name of signature holder, means if you need signature holder name in the report card then you can check this checkbox. Otherwise we can uncheck this checkbox. Now enter the selected role. Now the report style customization is also there, like there are various of customizations. If you require that customize header style, means we can have a header style like left align school logo and single school logo or center align school logo, and customized student widget style is also there, means student details will be printed into column 2 rows or 3 column 2 rows. We can enter the label and data fields as well. Now customized result table is also there, like total marks, obtained marks type, only mark type, mark percentage type, or mark percentage and grade type. And if you wish to have a graph on this report card, then you can select progress graph. There is a beautiful graph which will be printed on the report, or otherwise select no graph. And here is an interesting feature of this report, that is build your theme. Means you can use any one option from the below two options, like select table header. You can customize your colors for your report card, like for table header, row background color, border color, and fore color. Otherwise, there are a ready-made themes like gray, green, green with white row color, or Persian blue. So select your required theme and click on save. These things are optional. Now in data entry, we can enter comments for the particular students. Now click on this green tick after entering the comment. Now and like this, enter all the comments for the student and click on save data entry. Now go to preview report, and to download this particular student's report, click on download PDF. Again click here to download report. So here you can see there is a warning like digital signature not uploaded for the selected roles, which means we need to upload the digital signature by going to teacher. So there is a separate video for this. So now and open the PDF. Yeah, and the beautiful report has been here. This is how we can generate the Matterhorn report of variant 1.